Hey guys, we have another fun art lesson for you today, Art Quest. What is balance? Well, what is balance? There are three types of balance in art. Symmetrical, where the left and right sides are the same. Asymmetrical, where the left and right sides are equal weight but are not the same. And radial, where all objects are equal around a single point. After watching this video, you're going to try creating each type of balance with objects around your house or with your drawing utensils that you find. Okay, we're going to need a few things. We're either going to be needing our found object box that we created a couple of weeks ago when you went around and found objects around your house, or some drawing utensils. The art supplies you will need are scissors, glue, crayons, or markers, or colored pencils, and paper. The first type of balance I'm going to do is the symmetrical, where I'm going to use a positive and negative cutout to create the symmetry. I'm going to go ahead and freehand cut a design into my black paper. Your paper does not have to be black and white. It can be any colors you want it to be. What you need to remember is the paper that you're going to cut out needs to be half the size of the paper that you're going to glue it down to. If you don't want to freehand cut, you can draw into your paper and then cut on your lines. Okay, the next balance is going to be asymmetrical. We're creating asymmetry by drawing with 1 point perspective of the inside of a room. Okay, you can draw a rectangle, square, it doesn't matter, as long as you just line it up, the edges. At this point, you can add design to the background if you want to. The next type of balance in art is radial balance. For that, we're going to be needing a square piece of paper, some crayons. I am going to be using construction paper crayons because I'm having a color construction paper here, and I'm also going to be using metallic crayons. I'm going to find my center point, get that focal point right there, and create my pattern. Anything you do on one side, you must do to the other. Don't forget to show and share with someone at home. Take a photo and share with us on Twitter, Facebook, or through email. Can't wait to see what you created.